नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं शुभम गर्ग और आप हैं गर्ग गुरुकुल चैनल में। दिस वीडियो इज रिगार्डिंग दिस इज अ वेरी रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो एंड आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर रिगार्डिंग दैट हाउ इज द Arihant book of AFCAT, or which is the best book to prepare for AFCAT. Is it Arihant book? Is it Disha book? So there are a lot of doubts regarding this, and today I'm going to review this book, Arihant Afcat book. So let's go with the review first, and then I'll show you like how I have like how this book is designed and what are the chapters we have. But let's first see, I have divided it into sections and I have given scores. Okay, so this is Arihant book, AFCAT book review. Okay, so as we know, in AFCAT we have 4 sections. First is English, second is maths, third is reasoning, fourth is general awareness, GK or current affairs. So we have all these 4 sections, and so I have divided. First is that whether the syllabus has been covered. Okay, all covered or not. So syllabus as per AFCAT, this is very important. Okay, so I've given score out of this. Then how is the content, okay, of the syllabus, and then how much practice questions it has. Okay, so let's start with English now. In English, and I will be scoring out of 5. Okay, so in each section we will be getting out of 5. Now in English, all the syllabus is covered. Yes, approximately all syllabus is covered. Something I would say little bit extra is given, so that's why I'm giving 4.5 out of 5. Apart from that, the syllabus is covered. Content for Arihant book is very good for English section. Okay, because it has that kind of questions which really comes in AFCAT. Okay, so that kind of questions are there. So if you practice these questions and if you see these questions, then you will get a real scenario that you are giving AFCAT and this type of questions coming. Practice questions. Okay, this is about practice question score. Okay, this is about the content quality, I would say. Okay, practice questions are less, so that's why I'm giving 3 out of 5. Okay, there could have been more practice sections, practice questions. Maths, all syllabus covered. Yes, 5 out of 5. Here also some extra chapters are there, like for example area and parameters and all that. That does not generally come in the AFCAT, but there is a possibility as it is there in the syllabus, so there might be a question coming from that, so that's why they have covered it. But still extra chapters are there, but still I'm giving 5 out of 5 because all the chapters are covered. Content wise, 4.5 out of 5. Very good content in maths. They have given quick formulas before starting the chapter, how to solve the question. Okay, so a lot of things have been given. In English, one thing I forgot to mention, content quality, right? So they have given, okay, so how to attempt the reading comprehension, what mistakes candidates do. So they are given a good theory also, that's why I have given 4 out of 5. Maths also, good number of examples are solved, examples are given, and the way they have started the chapter would help a student to understand that concept. Practice questions are again very less. Okay, so that's the issue, the practice questions are again very less. Now coming to reasoning, all the syllabus is covered. Yes, almost. Some of 1 or 2 things are missing, but almost the syllabus is covered. That is good. Okay, content is really good, 4.5 out of 5. Reasoning content is really good, that it gives a real feeling of that AFCAT exam. Number of questions are again very less in reasoning. I would say not 3, 2.5, because in reasoning is a thing that is a game of practice, and you have to practice a lot of questions, and that practice is needed. Okay, so at least in reasoning they should have given a lot of questions, so that candidates come into that flow of solving the question. Now coming to the general awareness, GK. See, this is the most important part. We will ask from where to study. So in the syllabus part, okay, of general awareness, and I am surprised to say that, okay, this is 4.5 out of 5. As per AFCAT, they have covered good syllabus for general awareness. Okay, general awareness. Then content quality 4.5. Okay, not that good, not that bad. Okay, but like the questions which come in AFCAT are kind of covered in this. There might be a situation, general awareness is a C. Okay, so there might be a situation that, okay, that question is not from this book, from whatever you are reading, but the concept or the theory which is given are highly, there is a very high probability that question might be from the theory which they have given. So it's very good. Practice questions are very less in GA, and I think practice questions are not needed. Basically, you have to just revise this again and again, but solving MCQs are important. Okay, so that you can do from online, but still. So this was like, I would say, the gist, the scoring part which I have given. The other thing is, what is extra they have given is, they have given AFCAT analysis. Okay, so at the starting they have given AFCAT exam analysis. Okay, that is very good. Like all the sections chapter wise they have given the analysis. That is very good. Second point is they have given previous year question. Okay, so 2020 and 2019 question is there in this book, but as we know, like these were online exams, so it's only memory based, but still you get some idea. You can solve these questions to start to know which section is your strong one, which section is your weak one. So that is also good. At the end, 3 practice papers are also there. Okay, so that is also good. Fourth point is previous year questions. Okay, so previous year questions, now 2020 and 2019 are covered as a previous year whole paper. Okay, full paper they have given starting. Now previous year questions have been covered in the practice question itself. Okay, at the end of each chapter of these sections. Okay, so overall you have seen the score and you have also seen the Disha book. Now I'll show you how this book looks from inside and what kind of things, how the index looks and how this book looks. So hello guys, as I was mentioning, let's see the book. Now what is the index in this? So this is the book, and if I show you the thickness of this book. Okay, so let's see what I was talking about. Okay, so this is like AFCAT Flying Duty, Technical Ground Duty. We all know that it is for all the branches. This is the index. Okay, so they have provided a sort paper 2020, first and second. Okay, and then there is general awareness section, English section, numerical ability section, and then we have reasoning section. Okay, and at the end we have 3 practice sets. Okay, so now let's see how the general awareness looks. Before that, let's see verbal ability. Okay, English section. So that is what we have discussed in our video first. Okay, so what I was mentioning is the content is good. Okay, of this book. Let me show you one thing which I was mentioning for the. Okay, so let me show you like this. So for example, they have given this grammar. Okay, so see, the grammar is very much organized kind of thing. Okay, so it's like you will not feel bored when you are reading it. As there are given like bold headings, noun. Okay, then kinds of noun. Okay, like that they have segregated it very well. And then see, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 5, rule 6. All these rules are very distinctly given. Okay, so you will have a picture of that rule in your mind. Okay, if you are going through this grammar. Okay, and at the end, if I show you when all these things end. Okay, so you have this model practice questions. Okay, on the chapter, and then we have previous year questions. Okay, so these are the practice questions which they have given for the previous year. Now let me show you one thing for the reading comprehension. Okay, so from the index, I will just check where is the reading comprehension. It's on page 3 itself. Okay, so it's starting with reading comprehension. Okay, so what I was saying is, like for reading comprehension, what they've given. Okay, so see, they have given points to keep in mind. Okay, that read the question before. Okay, and all that stuff they have given. So it's kind of nice. Okay, that you get some theory also. Okay, in English, that's not required, but still. Okay, now let's come to the other. Okay, yes, one more thing. This is the synonym and antonyms which comes in AFCAT exam. Okay, good part is they have given it word wise. Okay, so for A they have given some words, for B they have given some words, for C they have given some words, for D they have given some words. So what you can do is, like you can pick up a day. Okay, so for example, today I will read A, B and C. Okay, and I will read this word. So you can read these words, okay, and in the morning, and then revise it in the evening. So ABC is covered in a day. Like that you will cover D, E, F. Okay, so there are 26 words. In 13 days your words will be covered. Okay, all the words will be covered, whatever it's given in this. So like this you can study for synonyms and antonyms. Now let's come to the other section. Now let's come to the maths. I'll show you one of the chapters from maths. Okay, so okay, numerical ability. Now let me show you ratio and proportion. Okay, for example. Okay, so see how they have given important results related to ratio. Okay, so there might be a direct question on this rule if you remember this rule. Okay, so for example, if A is to B is equal to M is to N, B is to C is equal to P is to Q, and C is to D is equal to R is to S, then this question might be asked, then what is A is to D? Okay, and if you solve by all the long method, then it will kill your time. Okay, it will take a lot of time for you. If you remember this method directly, then you can directly multiply all these MPR is to NQS, and you'll be able to get the answer from the options. So it's very easy. Okay, so that is this numerical ability. And similarly, like in numerical ability also, they have given Afcat previous year questions. Okay, chapter wise at the end of each chapter. Now let's come to reasoning. Okay, so this is the reasoning part. Now in the reasoning part, again good, but practice questions are very less, but still the questions they have given and the amount of questions is less, but the quality of questions is good. Okay, this is kind of questions which you get in the reasoning. Now in the reasoning, one very important thing which I noticed is they have given this theoretical thing, right, before each and every chapter. So for one of this series part, they have given very good theoretical notes. I was looking into that. Where is it? Let me find out. So they have given very good. Yes. Okay. So figure series. Okay. So for figure series, now what kind of questions comes in figure series? What is it comes like? Okay. So this is this is going forward. Okay. So what would be the next thing? Okay. So this is like complete the series. Okay. This is going like this, and what would be the next one? So after 4 you have to select one. Now what they have given us, see, they have given like how the figures move. Okay, so this is like upper left side, middle left side, lower left side, down, bottom. Okay, so like this, and then they have given these angles. Okay, so if you have this picture in your mind, it will be very easy to solve these kind of questions in the exam. Okay, so this is 45 degree, 90 degree. So for example, this is moving. So when the figure is moving by 45 degrees, so that's what they have mentioned. Okay, now the only section which is mentioned, remaining is defense. Now let me show you defense section. Sorry, general awareness section. So general awareness section is also very good. If you see over here, see forest in India. You don't have to prepare notes also. Okay, so they have given in a notes form itself. Okay, so for example, important lakes. Okay, you might get a question on lakes. Okay, everything is covered in my Afcat notes. If you want my Afcat notes, you can WhatsApp me. But still, if you have this book, then it's good. But if you have my Afcat notes, then you'll be able to cover 99.99% of syllabus. If you have this book, you'll be able to cover 75 to 80% of the syllabus, I would say, because some things are missing from this book. Okay, it's not updated as per the latest pattern. So for example, first in India male, first in India female. This is very important. First in India female. Okay, a lot of questions. Sometimes a question comes 3 marks. You can directly get it if you remember this first in India female. Okay, so that kind of thing they have given, and it's really good. Just the thing is that you have to remember all this. Okay, a lot of information is given, and this is relevant. This kind of questions comes, like for example, major newspapers of the world. This will not come. So you have to find out also that this will not come. Important monuments of the world will come. Okay, might come. Intelligence agencies of the world, most probably it will not come. Official book of major countries might come. Okay, national emblem of major countries can come. Okay, so this is how you have to find out. Okay, what kind of questions might come and what kind of questions cannot come. It's not required to learn them. Okay, so this was the review of the book, and this is available in Amazon and Flipkart both. So if you want to purchase this book, you can purchase. And I have made a review on Disha publication book also. So if you want me to make a difference video, like which is better, FCAT Arihant book is better or Disha publication is better, please mention in the comment section and I will surely make that video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and please subscribe for defense updates. Thank you so much.